Hello, students, and once again, welcome back to Gokhale Education Society's e learning program 2020 21. Myself, Mr. Prakash D. Chauhan, Assistant Teacher from Gokhale Education Society's HL High School and Junior College English Medium, Ozar Township. Friends, today we will learn Geography subject of English Medium, Standard 9th. So, let's start. Friends, today we will learn the second part of the 12th lesson of Geography, Tourism. So far, in the first part of tourism, we have learned about meaning and types of tourism, important tourist places and scope. Today, we will learn importance of tourism development in Maharashtra and important tourist places of Maharashtra. So, let's begin the second part of the lesson. We will learn now, friends, importance of tourism development in India. India is a diverse in terms of culture and nature. Tourism has a lot of potential in India and particularly in Maharashtra also. The richness of natural beauty in India, attractive landscapes, high mountains like the Himalayas, exquisite coastal areas attracts the tourists. Maharashtra got 720-kilometer coastlines, and on the coast of Maharashtra there are the beautiful beaches are there, beginning from Mumbai, Ratnagiri, Raigad up to the Sindhudurg. There is a full of natural beauty of the oceanic coastline is found. The diversity of Indian culture, festivals, traditions, costumes, variety of dishes made using Indian spices and hospitality of the Indians has resulted in opportunities of tourism in India. Friends, now we will learn about tourism and economic development. Tourism development helps the Indian economy in a great way. Because of tourism, the economic development of any country takes place. In India, restaurants, shops, transportation systems, residential places develop because of tourism and directly contribute to the economy. Basic infrastructure improves and employment is generated, which is advantageous to the economy of the country indirectly. Tourism plays an important role in economic development. Therefore, it is said that tourism is an invisible trade because it cannot be seen. But because of tourism, the economic development of a country takes place in a various ways. Because the guides, the hotels, lodging, boarding, transportation, all these facilities we have to provide at the tourist places, and due to that, the employment generation is done to the people those who are providing these facilities to the tourists. Now, friends, we will learn about tourism and environmental development. Tourism is good for environmental development also. To develop natural locations, sanctuaries, national parks, etc. Economic investment is made by the government for the sake of tourism industry. Because of eco-friendly tourism concept, tourist places can be developed while caring for the environment. Factors like housing, resorts, traffic routes are also designed in an eco-friendly manner. In this type of developmental process, electricity, water are used very judiciously. The concept of recycle and reuse is also applied. Natural environment is maintained and tourism is developed too. And while making the development of tourism, we have to take care of environment also. The degradation of environment should not be taken place. Normally the tourist visits the places of natural beauty and the empty bottles, the bottles of liquor, vapors, empty pockets of vapors are thrown here and there. Because of that, the pollution increases and the environmental problems also arises. So, while visiting the places of natural beauty, we should take utmost care of environment, that the environment and the animals living in that area should not get any kind of harm. Such type of care we have to take as a tourist while visiting the places of natural beauty, and the environment should be protected. That is the duty of each and every citizen as a tourist. Now friends, we will learn about tourism and health. Some tourists visit India to avail the health facilities also. Visiting the places of tourist interest and achieving the mental peace and physical strength through the Indian Ayurveda, yoga, pranayam, etc. is the objective behind it. The medicinal and surgical treatment in Indian hospitals are cost effective, and therefore many patients from various developing countries come here for the treatment. Medical tourism develops from the facilities required by these tourists. In India, the different type of advanced medical facilities are available, and to avail these facilities each year from the different countries of the world, the people as a tourist and as a patient visits in Indian hospitals. Ayurveda, yoga, pranayam, these are the gifts of India to the world. We have seen from since the beginning there are the different yoga gurus were there up to now, those who are teaching the yogas to the world. Now friends, let's learn about tourism and social development. Some specific social programs can be accomplished through the tourism. If facets like rural lifestyle, tribal life and culture are included in tourism, tourism gets a social dimension, and the neglected components of the society can be included in development. The tribal life in Melghat of Maharashtra and visit to the model villages like Anandvan of Babamte, then Ralegan Siddhi of Anna Hazare, Hivre Bazar, etc. creates a social consciousness and gives a flip to the development here. And there is a great potential for the development of such type of tourism in India. In future, tourism will be an important factor in the Indian economy also, because as we have learned that tourism is an invisible uh, income, invisible industry. Because of the tourism we can get a lot of economical development also in the country. So the government should take care that the places of tourist attraction should be developed, and the protection of these places should be done, and the development if will be taken place of these places, then in future the tourist will attract more and more towards these places, and through that the development of a country and the state will take place. Now students, it's the time of homework. So let's solve some of the questions. Here question number 1 is about identify the type of tourism from the settlement. Question 2 is about the match the columns, identifying the correlations and made a chain. Question 3 is answer in detail, and question 4 is make a notice bound containing instruction for the tourist at a tourist places. Students, you have to solve the answers of all these 4 questions in your homework book properly. Before that, listen the video again, read the textbook twice, and then answer these questions and write it in your homework books. Thank you and have a nice day.